Hey, baby. What you doing? Roll. Go for it. Roll. Yeah. Gambatte. Go. Roll that way. You're almost there. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Boo boo. Pull your arm out. Pull. Pull your arm out. You're almost there. You did it. Sort of. Mommy helped you. Now what you doing? Oh, hi. You're on your tummy. What you gonna do now? Huh? What you gonna do now, baby? Gonna do some push-ups? Do you think you can hold your head up for a minute? Up out there. See what you can do. See what you can do, baby. What can you do? You're just gonna lay there. Like, wow, I'm on my stomach now. I can eat my hand. Yum, yum. Is that all you're gonna do? Oh, eat your hand, okay. That's the important part. Yum, yum, yummy. Well, at least you're not crying about tummy time this time. That's good. You just chill about it. Yeah, this is the first time you didn't cry. Oh, good job, baby. Ah, you're such a cutie pootie. Ah, ah. I love you. I see your little butt wiggling. You're trying to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Ah. You try and turn back over? Huh? I'm just interested in eating your hand. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you lifted your head up for a split second. It was a good job. It was a good job. You did it. Oh, okay.